Hey everyone, Duke and Van from Vantage Pro, and we are at LDI checking out the brand new 2 Inspires from AC Lighting.
Yeah, they're really cool.
These things are adorable.
They are.
I like these things.
They are adorable.
The first POE based fixtures, right? So you probably can't see, but
I'll put a picture of them on there.
Yeah,
right?
Cat 5, Cat 6.
So there's a picture of there right now.
RJ45 right into the back. So there's a little guy, medium, so it's a 30 watt, a 60 watt, 90 watt fixture. All of them are POE plus or POE plus plus or POE plus plus 90 watts. So
basically the size of your coffee mug, depending on what size coffee mug you have, basically. It looks like a coffee
This would be
mug.
extra strong for the day, right?
That's right.
But full color, variable white. We had some really great conversations. The standards to which they are actually speccing these and calibrating the color, like they're really tight. And as new and future versions of the Chroma-Q fixtures come out, these things are going to be really lined up well with future fixtures. But I think the fixture itself, like the big one is got the same output, actually maybe a little bit more than the Inspire Mini, which again, think about this over 90 watt POE, that's pretty ridiculous, right?
And they will match the existing Inspire. So
they will.
That's like something really important for integrators.
Stock at 22 degree lens, but there are lens options to put in on there that'll get you all the way up to 80 degrees, so they can be a nice narrow, but they can also be a nice wide. Lots of accessories too. You can see here we've got a pendant mount, we've got a yoke mount, we've got a nice little housing for a pendant mount, but then we've also got these wall sconce options. And so really kind of however, or you know, if you want to use the old cheap little video tripod, you can do that too. So lots of really cool options, but mostly they look phenomenal. The light out of these is just really great. The consistency, the field of the light is really smooth and even. And again, just so incredibly cool, POE based. So that means you're not having electricians running all power in your DMX and all those things. So smaller rooms, shorter throws, like all of a sudden, like these are truly DIY solutions.
Right, one of the things we've been talking to them a long time, it says under balcony speakers, under organ pipes where the choir loft is in a more liturgical church.
Short throws,
Yeah, there's places where we just can't get a regular light, but we want to match color. So now we can do it. And they also make tons of accessories, like you said, for a T-bar mount, plaster roof mount, all kinds of different stuff like that. So really cool stuff.
Yeah, so really cool fixture. If you're interested in more info on these or really anything else from the Chroma-Q family, we'd love to talk to you more. Hit us up at vantageproav.com.